happens is motivation.
Today we're gonna be doing some maintenance. So I got all my filters here. I'm just gonna be lazy and throw them up. So as you can see here, I have a ton of boxes. I gotta get it up to the roof. So good thing I got my filter grabber. If you don't have one, go get one. Because if you're by yourself on a PM, that's a lot of boxes to pull up to the roof. So basically, you tie a rope to this, it goes down, opens up, and when it hits the box, it grabs it, and you pull it up with a rope. So right here in this bucket, I got my pocket hose, and I got another 100 feet here. I'm gonna be taking this up to the roof to wash my drain lines out. I'm gonna take my little speaker with me so I could have some music, and here's my rope. Alright, so I've gotten all my filters inside the room. Next, I'm gonna have to pull them up the ladder. The first thing you want to do is stack your boxes here. See, got all my boxes stacked in place. Gonna climb up to the ladder, drop the filter puller, and get all of them up. Alright guys, so I got all my filters up on the roof right here. So all my boxes. I have all those units. So I'm gonna get started. So this is my first unit here. I'm gonna start here. Turn my breaker off. And on these carrier units, all you gotta do is hold here, lift, and the door will open. This is the filter rack here. You want to lift this tab up, pull the filters out. And this is only on the carriers. Same thing, lift this tab here, pull the filters out. Right here you'll be able to see your drain. You see it's clean. Got some pan tabs in there, so we don't have to mess with the drain. All we have to do, make sure this is blown out, so we're gonna vacuum the line, or you could just shoot some water down there. So let's just cut our box open. Alright, so when you're putting them back, you want to start with the bottom filters first. Usually you see this section has some wires, and flip it around and there's no wire. You want to make sure that the wire is up against the evaporator coil, or you could follow where the arrow is. So the arrow tell you where the airflow is. The arrow should be facing the coil like this. So that's one filter. Two filters, then you close this lid. Then you do the same for the upper filters. Put it in the track, slide it under. Then you put the tab down, and that will secure all the filters. Close the gaps. And you're gonna date your filters. You could date all four, but you don't have to. So there they could track if the customer comes on the roof, they could see that you replace those filters. Just a quick push. Goes in. So this is part one. We're just gonna be changing filters. After that, I make sure that my drains are clean. I add pan tabs, I flush the drain lines out. That will conclude the first part of the maintenance. After that, it's all operational checks. Make sure all the parts work, the belt's good, everything is nice and tight. So thanks for watching the video. See you again. This is HVAC Made Easy.